Hello, Peter Ganton here, back again for another token review. Today we are talking about Finblox. We're going to jump into that in a second. Before we do, though, I'm going to let you know I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not meant for financial advice. It's for entertainment and educational purposes. There's a team of 6 of us. We spend a lot of time researching and looking for projects that have utility, that have been around a while, that have lasted the test of this, especially this last bear market, and that we believe have some potential to move forward. However, you do need to do your own research. All we're trying to do is shortcut you from having to look at hundreds, if not thousands, of projects in order to figure out if something's worth it looking into. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and we're going to jump into Finblox. All right. So Finblox is at 0.000726. It is on the Ethereum chain, as we can see. Here, we can come down or go up, actually, and we can see that the market cap right now is $700,000, okay, with a fully diluted market cap of 7.8. So right now there's about 10% of the tokens that are in distribution that are meant to be. We can also see that circulating supply is verified by CoinMarketCap, so it's verified. We can see that the max supply is just over 10 billion tokens that are in the max supply. So what we can do next is let's scroll down and let's look and see what exchanges it's on. So of course Uniswap, that's the decentralized exchange, but it's also on 3 centralized exchanges: Gate.io, MEXC, which is where I purchased it. I do own the token. And then BTSE is also another exchange that it's available on. So it is on a few exchanges. No super major exchange right now of the bigger exchanges. And again, that's an opportunity for the potential of it to accelerate the market cap because of having more access to more people to purchase it. So let's do this. Let's jump over to their X account. So Finblox, we can see on here that they've done about 3,792 posts. They have been on here since 2021. We're going to go back to and look and see when the token launched on that. So they joined in July of 2021. This was during the bear market, right? So guys, oh, sorry. This was at the beginning or towards the end of the bull market right here. So the bull market ran through 2021, 2, 3. Yes. Okay, perfect. Had to get that timing on that. Let's go back here real quick. I want to go to all time here and hit, and we can see that the token launched in 5 of 2023. So the token launch on here at least shows that it was early in 2023. We can see that they joined in 2021. They've really hit probably the last 7 or 8 months of this current bear market, of course, getting ready to go into the bull market. So a fairly newer coin. Most of the ones we do have been on 2-3 years, but this one's fairly newer. We can see that its all-time high here was just at 0.007, which is down about 90% from its high right now, from where it's sitting at that point. Is right there, 89.85% on that. So if we go over to their X account, we can see that they've got a pin post from January 11th. They don't post super frequently compared to a lot of other ones here. We've got one 23 hours ago, but then it goes back to the 17th. So that's about a 5-day window there for doing that. I don't know. This is just a cool graphic. They posted it, respect and then redacted incoming. Don't know what that really means. It's like a starship. Maybe it's talking about something's getting ready to happen. Exciting. Stay tuned for upcoming quests. So they are using one of the quest ones. Redacted must be one of the quest type things. So FBX stakers and Finbox users shall get cosmic redacted in 2024. All right, cool. All right. And then if we go down, we've got the 10th, we've got the 8th. We could probably go down here and look at some of the partnerships they've been in. Congrats to 3. So they're running some contests out there with some of the other projects that are in the works there. Actually, it looks like they're posting about every day, probably once a day, once we get past this little 5-day gap. Oh, no, there we go. We're back to a 5-day gap there, right? January 4th, and they posted on the 31st. So we can go through here. You guys know I like to go through on their X account and go look not just what's happened recently, but what's happened in the past. How frequently are they running contests? How many partnerships are they getting involved with? Also, too, is did they announce that something was going to happen and did it happen on time with it? So here's a lot of Polmax listing on their site, staking now live for the Palm X, I guess is how you would pronounce that, right? So it's a better health project that's on there. So let's jump over to their site. So we're here on Finblox. Let me actually just go to their main site first, and then we'll look at some of the features of it. This is a pretty robust platform, guys. There is a swap, of course. If we go to products and we open it up, they have a swap here. They also have earn rewards. They have buy crypto, credit card, and with a banking account. And then they have refer and earn. So they do have a referral program. So that's cool. But if we come up here, their two newest projects is their Launchpad and then their T-bill yield. One thing so a $700,000 market cap, and they are beginning to do real world assets here. I'm going to click on this one and this will pop open. That's the original page it came up. So earn 4.7% APY US Treasury yields on chain. With T-bill yield token, Finblox users can access tokenized rights to US Treasury bills yield. This allows you to benefit from the strength of the US government, ensuring added safety while enjoying a sustainable return on your Finblox wallet. So they're getting into the real world asset game, guys, that are backed by real world assets. And of course, you can come through here and read more about it. They have low risk. On that side, your guide to earning US real risk-free rates. So there's a lot of information on here. If I did this, we'd have a 40-minute video, right? If we went through all this information. So we're going to let you dive in deep on that one there. We're going to jump over to their Launchpad here. This is also new that they opened up, so you can open up the app there. They are already currently doing raises for people. You can see they have 6 projects here. We've got a game project. We've got a health project. We've got, of course, their own Finblox token that they completed and did. War Legends, another one. So they are already raising it. And by holding the FBX token, you can actually get special access into these projects. Here's one cool one that is refundable, 24-hour risk-free. So give you a chance to try it and I guess a little buyer's remorse maybe if you decide that you want to jump out of it. You see the VIP early access. That's for the FBX price holders, okay? If you hold the token, you can get into it. We can come down here, connect with over 100,000 plus strong community members, off-chain transactions or 0 gas fees, access to our iOS and Android apps. So they do have an app on iOS and Android, built-in referral program for your project, targeted push notifications. So this is really marketing to the projects to do it. They have a white listing feature. They have early token claims, and they have it set up for instant token APY staking. If we go back to their homepage here, we can come up here and we can come down here and earn rewards. So when you click on this, it's going to open up and earn rewards with Finblox. So we can scroll down here and choose from 2 vaults, earn rewards on stable coins or other crypto assets. And then you can set that up. And of course, this is the Bitcoin and friends. So Bitcoin, ETH, Sol, Axis, AVX. So you can come in here and you can look and see what type of rates that they're paying on them. Oh, here it is right here below. So on FBX, it's 9.4%, USDT 4.5. You can go to a lot of the sites, guys, and they're playing some crazy rates on some of these things. I would be very cautious if they're paying really super crazy rates, right? On any project that's out there. They have a lot of projects. Like I said, to go all the way through this would be great. The key is guys, here's a site that is making progress. They seem to have users. Trade and earn up to 100x in rewards on your favorite crypto assets, powered by FBX, the native coin. So we can hit here, get started. They're going to pull it with the QR code, and it's going to give you access to their apps right there. So a lot of great stuff on this project. We're going to keep an eye out for it. Again, my first initial, very small purchase that puts it on my radar so I can go see it in my wallet. I can see if it starts to move. I don't have to keep going back and looking up projects over and over again. And I can keep an eye on this one. So I do have my small little stake there. Going to keep an eye on it. And we're going to see what Finblox can do. If you look at the category of a swap and all the other stuff that they're doing, there are projects that are worth tens of millions, hundreds of millions of dollars currently right now. Do your research, check out Finblox. It's a cool project and seems like it has some great potential. If you like videos like this and you don't want to have to go search out through tens of thousands of videos to find a few to do some research on, you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell, and then it'll notify you whenever we come out with a new video on a new project that you can check out. If you like the video, hit the like button. I would appreciate that greatly. And with that, have a great day, and we look forward to making more videos in the future for you.